Hey everybody, welcome to Mastering the Car Sales Game, a cartoon guide. Listen, selling cars is like navigating the urban jungle. It's competitive, it's fast-paced, and you've got to have the right moves to come out on top. That's why I'm breaking down the car sales process into 10 simple steps, all illustrated with killer cartoons. We're talking about building that connection, understanding what the client really wants, and closing those deals like a boss. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's turn you into the ultimate car sales pro. All right, chapter 1, and it all starts with you, your attitude. You've got to wake up and smell the coffee, literally. Bring that positive energy, that I can conquer the world mentality. Look, enthusiasm is contagious. When a customer sees you're genuinely excited about the cars and the process, they're going to feed off of that. Think about it. Would you rather buy from someone who's dragging their feet or someone who's pumped to be there? Exactly. Confidence is key in this business, and it all starts with the right mindset. So start your day strong, believe in yourself, and let's get those deals rolling in. Now, let's talk about the first impression. It's everything. No one wants to feel like just another number, right? That's why you've got to personalize that approach. Remember their name, use it, ask them questions about their lives, their interests, what they're looking for in a car. Really listen to them. Find out what they like about their current car and what features they would like in their new car. People can tell when you're being genuine, and that goes a long way in building trust. So if you can fake sincerity, you've cracked it. Remember, this isn't just about selling a car, it's about building a relationship. And that starts with showing them you care. It's like dating, but instead of finding love, you're finding the perfect car match. Okay, so you've got the right attitude, you're prepped to personalize. Now it's time for the main event, the meet and greet. This is where you make that human connection. Stand tall, shoulders back, big smile, firm handshake. Eye contact is crucial. It shows you're engaged, you're listening, you're present. First impressions are everything, and you want to exude confidence and trustworthiness. Remember, you're the expert, you're the guide in this car buying journey. You do this every day. Customers only do it once every couple of years, so own it. Be the person they feel comfortable trusting with such a big decision. It's all about that connection. Chapter 4. Ask the right questions. All right, you've established that connection. Now it's time to dig deep and uncover their needs. This is where your detective skills come in, and you find out important details that will help you make them feel you know them. This is where you get them to like and trust you. Ask open-ended questions, get them talking. What are they looking for in a car? What's important to them? Safety, fuel efficiency, style? Don't just talk features, talk benefits that suit them and get them to agree to these. This is where you get lots of little yeses and put them in a yes state of mind before asking for the big and most important yes. How will this car make their life easier, more enjoyable? Are they commuting long distances? Got a big family? Listen to their answers. Really listen. This isn't about pushing a sale. It's about finding the perfect car that fits their lifestyle. Chapter 5. The art of the trade-in valuation. So they've got a trade-in, that's great. This is another opportunity to build trust and show your expertise. Walk around the car with them, point at any defects or faults to let them know you have seen them, but don't say anything at this stage, simply take a note of these. Test drive the trade-in and use your knowledge to explain how you arrived at the appraisal value. You're not trying to pull a fast one. You want them to trust you without feeling that they're being ripped off. Remember, a reasonable trade-in value can make all the difference in closing the deal. So be thorough, be honest, and show them you're on their side. Chapter 6. The test drive. Sell the experience. Sell the sizzle. This is it, the moment of truth, the test drive. This isn't just about taking a spin around the block, it's about selling the experience. Drive the vehicle first and emphasize the key features that are important to the customer. Get them behind the wheel, hand them the keys, saying, "Here are your keys." Let them feel the power of the engine, the smoothness of the ride. Point out those key features that meet their needs. The heated seats, the premium sound system, the safety features that'll give them peace of mind. But remember, it's not just about the car, it's about the feeling. How does this car make them feel? Confident, excited, successful. Paint that picture, create that emotional connection. By the time you get back to the dealership, they shouldn't want to get out of the car. All right, they love the car. Now it's time to talk numbers. This is where you present the deal with options, of course. Lay out different financing options, warranties and add-ons. But remember, it's not about overwhelming them. It's about finding the best fit for their budget and needs. Be transparent, explain everything clearly, and answer any questions they might have. You want them to feel confident and comfortable with their decision. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer, and they're more likely to recommend you to their friends and family. Now it's time to negotiate. Be prepared to answer objections and address any concerns they might have. Remember, negotiation isn't about winning or losing. It's about finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Be willing to compromise, but also know your bottom line. And when you feel that momentum building, go for the close. Ask for the sale, but don't be pushy. Confidence is key here. Believe in yourself, believe in the product, and believe in your ability to close the deal. Congratulations, you closed the deal, but the journey's not over yet. Delivery day is another opportunity to make a lasting impression. Make sure the car is spotless, the paperwork is in order, and the customer feels valued. Walk them through the features of their new car and answer any last-minute questions. Remember, this is their dream car, and you helped make it happen. So celebrate that moment with them and send them off with a smile. Okay, the deal is done, but a true sales pro knows that the relationship doesn't end there. Follow up with your customer a few days later. See how they're enjoying their new car, answer any questions they might have, and address any concerns. This shows that you care about their satisfaction and builds long-term loyalty. Ask them for referrals. Remember, word of mouth is everything in this business. A happy customer is your best advertisement. So go above and beyond, build those relationships, and watch your sales soar. And there you have it, 10 simple steps to mastering the car sales game. Remember, it's all about attitude, building relationships, and knowing your stuff. Now go out there, be confident, be yourself, and close those deals. I believe in you. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.